Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can do the retraction calibration in Orca Slicer. So basically you want to open up a new project, because if you actually have shapes or objects onto your project right here, sometimes it can go ahead and disable the calibration menu. So let's go ahead and create a new one. Click on calibration and there's going to be this retraction test. Now, of course, you can set your start retraction length and the end length and also the step. Now you want to click on OK, and of course we want to send this to our printer by clicking on the slice plate option. And then from here you could just print it normally. And if you see stringing right here, of course we have to head back over to our slicer and edit out the calibration until we eliminate the stringing problem. So from here you could do something like start length from 2 to maybe 4. Let's click on OK, click on no, and then you will be able to calibrate it for the next one. So just keep doing this until you eliminate the stringing and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.